can you do anything with that data of people who see an ad and go find you on your website? Because I can see that and go high level in the activity. And I'm like,
Yeah.
man, these people are, it's either the Google people or the people that are doing that. Is there any way to capitalize on that?
For me, it was just like a massive kick in the face reminder to be like, add to sale, those days are done. Right. And I'm like, if we're not building an ecosystem, it's going to be very, very costly. And so when I saw that pattern over and over again, I didn't need to do anything with the data other than just like recognize like that was just buying behavior. And so that's obviously why we put a lot more of this stuff. Like if someone books a call or they don't, how do we just continue to nurture them to the point where the conversation becomes a lot easier on the call? But
Okay,
yeah, you
cool.
have that visibility in GHL. That's great, right?
I'm trying to figure out how to like pull it quicker, but pretty much now I have to go into each person and click the activity and see where they came from. I tried to work with Tom to like figure out how to like how do I pull people of who they came where they came from this ad and what they did next, but it's too complex.
When I look at an ad, this for me, this is probably the most helpful piece with Hyros, other than like the direct attribution to a sale, is when an ad, let's say an ad books 10 calls, right? I know who those 10 calls are. Like I know their name and I can cross-reference that against their application. And then I'm like, oh, cool, it's booked 10 calls, but none of them. So we track calls booked and cancels, so qualified calls. So I'm like, oh, it's booked a lot of calls, but half of them are no shows or cancels. I'm like, why would I scale this ad? And then I'm like, what is it about the messaging? And this is one of the biggest, and I've shared this with you guys, I think. We notice our static ads, right? So static image, where it's like, we'll get ChatGPT to create a cool image with good messaging, whatever. Those ads, maybe 10% of them actually produce ROAS, but 90% of them have very low CPMs, which means shit quality traffic, lots of clicks, low conversions. And when they do book calls, they're fake apps or they're shit people. And I'm like, that's very, very good for me to know because now I feel way better about running more video ads as opposed to statics because I see the pattern over and over again. That level of visibility and granularity, it's tougher to have in Meta directly. So I found for me personally, has been nice because it kind of reinforces that understanding. If you feel there's a major blind spot that you have no visibility over, that's very important to make decisions. I think it could be interesting. But if you're still able to get to those same conclusions, even through a little bit of a runaround, I think for now it's okay. Right.
Hey, if you've enjoyed this video and you want myself and my leadership team to become an extension of your business, to work with you one-on-one in an advisory capacity and plug you into a high-level mastermind of other 6, 7, and 8-figure health practitioners, then I invite you to learn more about our Healthpreneur Mastery. It's not a coaching program, it's not a do-it-yourself course, it is a very high-level private advisory and exclusive mastermind only for high-level practitioners who want to scale, leave a bigger impact, and build a business that not only makes way more money and more profit, but actually buys back a lot more of your time. So if you feel like the best kept secret and you want to become the best known expert, if you feel like you're working way too hard and you're not sure how to step out of practitioner mode and kind of step into CEO mode and really work on the business as opposed to in the business, if you need help with hiring, branding, your funnel, like acquisition, whatever it might be, we've been doing this for 20 years and we've helped more practitioners now in the thousands than anyone else in our space. Healthpreneur Mastery is an exclusive small knit community. You have to be earning over $500,000 a year to even apply. But if that's where you are or higher and you want me to look in your business and support you in a one-on-one fashion along with our entire leadership team on a consistent basis, then click the link in the description to learn more about Healthpreneur Mastery and see if you qualify.